Before the Havili Post, I would like to give the chance to our father-in-law. He will present a presence with his speech from the mother side, Louisa's side, before we're moving on to Louisa's family. Lolo toa hane tau tali-tali o wae taulunga makehe. Taulunga makehe ua o mai I he hoata e whiawhini o whakahoko mai. Whakamore-more ala au polokalama. Kai tuku a pe ke whakahoko atu si I whatoniani. Ko au koe tau kete o tonga parenapa. Nā kuto tau, he ahoni, he tau taha kohini. Pehekai ke whakasisi, ne o ko ino. O kutu o whakato whakine, o whae whiawhia he ahoni. Whiawhia e o mokapuna o makai parenapa. Koe tau ke tau tonga, koe tamai a sione. Ke whae peha tau runge whamanatu aki, ai tau taha makai. Koe tangata ofa, koe tau ke te ofa mo tuka hai kina, ono whamkita hina. Tau ana makai ka tau hoko aku, ke whamila mo isa, he ko tau waiwa ai porokalama. Malo apito ka ko mau e tau luka koe ni, ka tau hoko atu, ki he Havili Boys. E whakahoko atu e lea e whata-inoa, ki mua patau ko hoko atu ki Havili Boys. Te wai e whamila mo isa, ai o wiai a seini tu kou mo Louisa, o wiai koe tau olunga, ai whakamukapuna o tufui la pota, pia toki hoko atu e whamila mo isa. Maa pe tau lunga, tuku maea, ka tau hoko atu. Thank you so much to our non-Tongan speakers who have watched the whole program and have no idea of what we were doing, but we dance in love. We're doing the dancing and celebrating our union that we have today. Malo apito, o maa e tau lunga koe ni, tukui maa ki whasi. Okay, tukui maa